Good morning, everybody. How are you doing?
Ben.
Good. You didn't sound good. How are you doing?
It's a Monday morning.
There we go. All right, so if you just want to turn your chair to face us, we're going to look up at the board for a little bit, right before we turn back to our tables. Okay? You can turn your head if that's easier. Yes.
Ben.
All right.
All right, so who wants to raise their hand and tell me if they know what a KWL chart is?
Oh, of course they never saw it before. Of course you do. I know my blue group does. Oh, come on, guys. You've seen that. We've done it in reading.
Have you guys all heard my hand first?
It's about, well, first you have to use a book to do it or something.
Yeah, you can use books for it. Yeah. Have you ever used it in something other than reading? Yeah.
It's like this paper where it says what I want to know and what I learned and what I know.
Yeah. Perfect. So a KWL chart is what do I know, what do I want to know, and what did I learn. So today we are going to be talking about two-digit addition and subtraction. Are you guys familiar with that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Yes.
Check.
All right, so have you guys ever heard of base 10 blocks? Or used them in math class?
Guys, the orange blocks that we use in the band.
Yeah? Raise your hand if you know what we're talking about.
Gosh.
Okay, most of you.
You know.
Everyone knows that.
All right, well, we're going to be using food as a substitute for it.
So instead of the tens blocks,
We're going to be using pretzel sticks instead of the sticks that represent 10.
and instead of the ones blocks,
We're going to use M&Ms that represent 1. And you can't eat it until we do all of our problems. Because then how are you going to do the math problems?
okay, so first we're going to ask you guys, what do you know about addition and what do you know about these base 10 blocks? You guys want to be smarters too?
Oh, sure. Yeah. Let me get this.
And we're going to raise our hands and say what we know, okay?
Okay.
Do you need tape or anything?
No, it's okay.
Do you know something about addition, subtraction, or base 10?
Well, I was just gonna ask you a question.
Yeah.
Like, we eat it?
You can eat them.
At
You don't
the
have
end.
to eat it at the end.
I thought we were gonna glue it.
No. You
Oh,
actually
we
get to eat
gotta
it.
eat it.
I mean, if you want to glue it on our paper, you can, but
It wouldn't taste very
it
good.
wouldn't
Glue all
taste as
over it.
good, right?
How much do we get?
That's going to be it.
You'll
When we
see.
get to the table, you'll see.
All right, guys, everybody, have your eyes up here, please.
Eyes on us.
Thank you so much. So who wants to raise their hand and tell me what they know? Yes. Little blonde girl in the back.
Kyla.
You're taking away numbers and adding more numbers.
Yeah, so which one is addition?
Do you take away numbers or add numbers when you do addition? You add the numbers.
Add numbers.
So addition is you add numbers.
What about subtraction? What do you do with subtraction? Yeah?
You take away numbers.
Take away numbers. All right.
Awesome.
Good.
Okay, what do you know about the little base 10 blocks, the little orange blocks that you guys use?
Robert.
You use them to subtract and add.
Yeah.
Use them to do both.
So that it
But what do you do if you have to take away less than a base 10, like a block of 10, but you don't have any ones left? Do you need to break it apart? And use 10 little ones to represent the big ones?
And that's
Yeah.
okay if you guys don't know, because that's what we're
We're
going
gonna
to
go
help you
through
with.
it. Alright.
Okay, awesome. So does anybody have
Anything they want to learn about base 10 blocks?
any questions that you have?
Yeah.
if they subtract.
If they subtract?
Can you subtract them?
Yeah. That's a good one. Do we want to learn anything else?
No.
No? Nothing else? represent 10?
No.
Maybe?
So that's what we're gonna find out. Can
Yeah.
you use food?
Yes?
Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
Well, we're gonna try it and see if it works.
Okay, so at the end of our lesson, we're going to come back and we're going to fill up the last part, which is what did I learn? So keep in mind while you're working that you're going to need to tell us what you have learned, okay?
All
So
right.
now we're going to come over here.
Watch this guy. All right. Okay. Which table would you go to?
Either one. But there's going to be one table for addition and one table for subtraction. So would you like to choose this one?
Nope, you can do it.
Alright.
There you go. Thank you very much. And then all right. All right.
Oh, boy.
Where are you going?
That's my table.
Do you need to put it here? It's far away. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm not eating them.
All right, guys. I'm gonna have this right over here.
What kinds are those? No, I can use.
Hmm?
Are you gonna be
Just regular M&Ms.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I thought they were chocolate.
They're chocolate. Regular M&Ms are chocolate.
No, I'm not.
If you don't like chocolate, you don't have to eat it.
I want to eat it. Oh,
Alright, guys.
You can't eat until we're done though. Alright, I'm gonna give you guys paper just in case our table's dirty, okay?
touching me, yeah. But why you could eat them? Because I'll be touching them.
Because
So
so you can eat the food and everything. Yeah, we could eat a napkin, but
Ew.
welcome.
A napkin would be.
Alright.
Watch this broken.
Alright.
This is just a little dirty.
Everyone's just gonna have a little bit.
I want more M&Ms than Ethan. They just look so good.
But we're not eating them right.
Can I count them?
You can count them and see how many you have. Sort them if you like.
Then I'm gonna stick them by hand.
Are you gonna be okay to touch it?
Yeah, I'll have it. I'm not allergic to it. Can I have his?
You can have this at the end if he does not want.
I'm not touching it. Yes, I will have it. You can have that. I have 7.
Have that one on your paper.
I said 7. 7. No, 7.
No, you cannot.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. The pretzels, I would eat the pretzels. 13, 16, 17.
That should be good for right now.
Oh, no, I can't count right.
Alright. Only 2 boys?
I'm 17.
So how are we grouping them by color? So what color do you have the most of?
I have brown. I have red.
Red? Ooh.
Oh,
Alright.
I have 21.
You have 21 total?
I got the most red, so can I eat it right now? Because red.
No. Why not? Alright.
See, look, I have 7.
Alright, can we have our attention back on me? Away from the M&M?
21. I win. I have 20. I have 25.
Alright, we're not counting right now. We're looking back up,
I
okay?
have 21.
Alright. You guys are gonna get some pretzels.
I have 21.
Just
I have 21. 21. 21.
don't get that many. It's okay.
21.
You can share.
21. No, I'm not. No, I'm touching.
Just need a few.
He has them tones
Wanna
and
grab a few?
hands.
Alright, take a few. Only a few. You don't need that many.
6. It's a lot.
Alright, can you give some?
No, I want my own.
You want your own? That's a lot of pretzels.
I
Definitely. Alright, then you two are gonna share. Take some. Too late.
Oh man.
That's enough for right now. Alright.
I got like 6.
Robert, grab a few more.
I got more than 6. Yellow and I got.
Alright, we need Ice back to me. 1, 2. Alright. So, we're gonna go through a few math problems, okay? So do you guys know, do you remember how to make it look like the number when you use the base 10 blocks?
Yeah.
So what do you do if the number is 47?
Alright, everybody listen up. So, on these cards, I have addition problems, okay? So,
We're not subtracting yet, we're just
problems.
making the M&Ms and the pretzel sticks look like the number
Don't write anything
47.
down, you don't have any pencils.
Oh.
Yeah, that's.
Everybody understand?
Okay.
Do we arrange them to look like the number 47, or do we get 4
Make it
sets
to
of
look
10?
like 47. I got it.
Yes.
Where's your 7?
You don't understand anything?
Right there?
Okay,
That's
so
right.
pretend like
You want to
these are your
separate it
base
from the
10
rest of the
blocks.
order?
What do you want to use for math?
Then I need a 7. I have
It's
47. I have 25 for one whole color.
Alright.
Is this a good for? Is this a good 47?
Yes.
40.
I see 43 there.
Here.
We want to have
No.
7 M&Ms and 4 pretzel sticks.
This is my 47. But this is, how do you make a 4? I got 4. Oh, that's good.
We're not making it look like the number.
Oh.
We're trying to represent how many 10s there are.
Show me the whole problem.
Oh.
Show me what
Oh.
53 looks like.
I
Show me
need
what 11 looks like, and then show me how you figure it out.
You can use different colors.
So you can give away from your food.
So,
Alright, so we need 4 10s. So what is the M&Ms or the pretzels are 10s? Who remembers? Yeah?
the pretzels are 10.
The pretzels represent 10. So how many do we need to make it 47?
4.
4?
He's at 7.
And then 7 M&Ms?
No. 10.
Hold your food and then use this
Why 7 of those? Those are our 10s.
Yeah, that's 10. 70.
4 10s. So let's get 4
Oh,
pretzel sticks.
I don't get it. Are the 10? I only have
Well, you're sharing, so you can take 3 of his. Well, then you're not going to be able to do it, and you're not going to have any fun.
He just
Good.
I don't get it.
You don't get it?
I got 4.
Alright.
I got it.
Where's your 4? Down there?
I
Okay.
get it. How many ones do
Do you want to try?
Do we need 0 ones? I know 7.
Our number is 47. 4 7. Alright? So, each of those represent 10, right?
I don't
So how many 10s are in the number 47? 4 10s, so we need 4 of the sticks, right? That means
Mommy.
40.
And then I need
7.
Maddie's piece.
Yes, because those each represent 1. Okay? You can use more than one color.
I just had yours.
You just have to use 1? Okay. Does everyone have their 47?
Yes.
So,
Yes, you got 1 done, 2. Where's your 47?
47, 47. This is my 47. I don't have 7.
7 1? Yes, you do.
Right there.
Look at all the M&Ms you got.
Here, just use the brown.
Yeah,
There's some brown.
there you go.
These.
Alright, well, since everyone besides you is ready, we're going to go on to subtract 23. So when we subtract, when we're going to take away,
1.
do we need to take the ones first or
No,
the
we have to
10s?
take away 1 10. No, we have to take away 2 10s.
We're going to take away 2 10s, yeah.
And then you take away. Then we take away the
And then we take away the ones?
3 ones.
So are we starting with 1s or are we starting with 10s?
And the perfect amount for one color again. 10s.
We're taking away 23. We're not making a new number. We're taking away 2 10s and 3 1s from the 47, right?
Yeah. So this is what I did. I did 2 of these, then 4 of these.
Alright, and you have 2 of the 10s, right?
I did 2 of these and 3 of them.
Does everybody agree
3
with
of
that?
them?
Yeah, because it says
Awesome
23.
job.
Oh, we're
Alright.
subtracting it.
Clean off your boards.
We're
clean off your
taking
papers,
away
okay?
this
And we're gonna go to the
number
next
from
problem,
this
okay?
number. Oh.
That
When you're all
would
ready, I'll
be
flip the card, okay?
That
0 something.
Alright, is everybody ready?
zero something?
Alright,
Yeah.
next problem.
Wait, what is 3 and 4? 7 more negative. That'd be
20 something.
20 something. 20.
You have the right
25?
idea. You took away 2 groups of 10
Yeah.
and 3 1s
Alright,
from the
guys, well,
47.
I know you
And
guys
that
don't
left you with
have
what
the answer.
number?
Show me how you can use the 10s and the 1s blocks, okay?
24?
24, that's
Yeah,
right.
I just said that.
Does everyone understand how we got that?
This is because
Yes?
That's mathematics.
No? So you have the 4 groups of 10, right?
He's just
Right?
watching them.
30
Give it out.
Does everybody agree with that?
And you had 7 1s.
Awesome job. You guys are good
So
at
you
this.
took away 3 1s, and that left you 4, you know? You were doing 1s first. That's how you got the 4 left over. Then you took away 2 groups of 10. Yeah, take away the 2 groups of 10.
Show me
And that's how
you're
you
ready.
get
Open your mouth.
2 10s from the 4 1s, which leaves us with the number
Alright, here's your next problem.
24. Alright, do we want to try another one? Alright, we're going to start over from the beginning now. Ready? We're going to make the number 32. So how do we make the number 32?
Oh, we add 1 stick and then we take away 2 of the. What's
Yeah.
Just let me know.
We're going to have the number 32. You're not doing this, so I don't know why you should be talking. If you don't want to share pretzel sticks and participate, you shouldn't be talking, okay? Alright, does everyone have 32?
Yes.
Alright, now we're going to take away 17. So we're going to take away 1s first. So what are we going to have to take
You guys have
away?
the answer?
2. A 1. A 1
Oh,
1.
it's in your hands?
We're doing 1s first,
Yeah.
right?
First we'll take away 1. 2 take away 1.
Alright.
We have 7 1s that we need to take away.
Oh.
So how many can we take away right now? How many 1s did we have? 2.
Everybody please listen
So how many more do we have to take away?
5. So the answer is -5.
Not yet.
No.
Where's the rise?
So let's take away our
Where's
2,
the rise mean?
put it back in our pile,
Okay.
and then we can break our pretzel stick up into 10 M&Ms, right? Because that's what it means. Each M&M is 1 and each pretzel is 10. So do you want to show 10? Take away 1 of the 10s with your pretzel sticks.
So are we gonna break that 1? The answer is 23. 24.
Alright, so what's your final answer?
15.
Alright.
Do we break a piece? Do we break a piece and eat it?
No. We're breaking it up.
I know that.
Can't eat it yet, not yet.
Yours is broken then.
Good.
Mine isn't
Alright, do you guys
Alright.
understand?
Did anyone break
There
their,
should be masters of this.
put away 1 of their
Alright, here's
10s
your
and
next one,
put
okay?
10 1s instead?
Huh? This one is
We're gonna try to
Are
get
we
someone
not
who hasn't
listening?
really talked this time.
And it's kind of
Alright.
How
So
they
we
feel
already
about the
took away
answer,
2,
okay?
right?
Yeah.
So we have to take away 5 more 1s, right? Yeah? So how can we make 5 1s out of 10?
We put 5 back.
Put 5 back,
Alright,
but
and don't tell anybody
then we're
your
gonna
answers.
have a big number. Do we have to
Don't
take a
tell
10
anybody
away?
your answers, because you need to so everybody understands
Yes.
themselves,
So we
okay?
need to put 1 10 away and 5 1s back.
Oh, the answer was 17.
No.
The answer is 15.
Mm-hmm.
How you guys doing?
I didn't hear that. 55? No. That's way high.
Now, did you guys take away your 10s yet?
Yes, I
Show me
did.
that you're done by
I took
sitting
away
silently looking,
25.
okay?
We took away the 7. We didn't take away the 10 yet. We gotta take away a group of 10. So what's the number gonna be?
15.
15. You gotta take away one of your groups of 10.
It's my number.
Your number? Okay. Do we think we can try another one?
No.
No, I think we can.
I want to
Here, let me see if I
This
have
is the
any.
last one.
I've got a lot of them.
Oh,
Let's see.
thank you.
We'll do an easy one. How about that?
Thank you. The easy one, the front one.
We'll do this one. 54. Make the number 54. Do you not want to do it?
In circles.
So how did we
I
find
got it.
51?
I know what.
I need 54.
I'm gonna eat one. 54. I already 54.
Does everyone have 54?
Yeah.
So does
More
everybody
than
agree with her?
4 ones.
Yes. Wow. You guys are all so tired.
Okay. 3 ones.
There we go. Everyone got 54? Alright, so are we going to take away the 1s first or the 10s first?
Little one.
The 1s? So we need to take away 3 1s,
Why don't you
right?
walk me through what you did, okay?
So let's take away 3 of our M&Ms.
That leaves us with 1 1.
That leaves us with 1 1.
It's 50. Yes. It's 1
Now we got to take away the 10s, right?
Oh. It's
How many?
So what are the pretzel sticks represent?
31?
41.
Okay.
Ooh, let's see. You gotta take away 2 groups of 10. 2 of the pretzel sticks
Oh,
gotta go
let's
away.
still do one.
31? Does everyone have the same answer?
Yes.
Ooh, I see someone has a 21. Everyone got the same answer now?
21. That's
21?
No.
31.
I said that. Can you just say answer after we're done with each problem?
31.
How about you do that?
Alright, you guys wanna do this one?
Yeah, this one. Wait, which one?
So you add up all of the
Gotta do the same thing
which are
with
the pretzel
the
sticks.
grouping. Alright, let's make the number 26. We're gonna do 26, take away 19.
So, I did 20.
You did it already? Look at you. Not yet.
Not yet. Yes. Yeah. Okay. I did the whole thing already.
You did the whole thing. What's the answer? 3?
20. Is it 26?
We're making the number 26, yes. Does everyone have, you need 6 ones, right?
16. Wait, it's
I
13.
got 6 in the ones place?
The answer is 13.
No, it's not.
16.
No, it's not. It's less than 10.
So what do you do first?
9.
Less than 10.
7. 6.
You wanna do
5.
it once?
We're not counting down. We're going to do the problem.
4.
We need
9.
6 ones.
No. 8. 4.
How many more do we need?
1.
So show me
There we
your
go.
pretzel sticks.
No.
Alright, we're going to take away the 9s first.
Not me.
So we need to take away 9 ones, right?
Oh, we don't have enough.
We don't have enough, so what do we do?
Take away all of them.
What do we do?
We have
when
to add
it's in?
more ones. We take all
How
of
do
the
we add
ones.
more ones?
We have to add. We have to add more elements.
How do we do
No,
that?
we have to add. Don't know the.
When we write it, what do we do?
We
Do we borrow?
add 4 numbers. I mean 4
It's
elements.
the second part.
We
but
add
I think
more
we
numbers.
put 6.
We're trying to take away numbers.
Yeah, but we have to add numbers to subtract them.
Right.
Here's what it says.
How many ones do we have right now?
So 6.
6. So can we take away 6 numbers?
Yes.
I mean, that doesn't get us to 9, but that gets us kind of close, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's take away our 6.
I already took on my way and already sold it.
How many more do we need to get to 9?
Nummy.
We took away 6.
4. 3. 2. 4. 3.
3?
3.
3. We need 3 more to get to 9. So what do? We only have 2 pretzel sticks, right? So,
We take away 1 pretzel stick.
and what do we replace with it? What does one pretzel stick mean?
110.
110. And what does one M&M mean?
You guys are done?
11.
Show me that you guys are
It
done.
means one.
Yeah.
So how many M&Ms do we need to make one pretzel stick?
10.
Yeah, so let's put 10 M&Ms. Or we have the one pretzel stick.
3, 4, 1, 6, 5,
Alright.
9.
Alright, once you have your 10, look up. Okay?
I did it.
Alright. Everyone's got their 10?
Yep.
Alright, we have to take 3 away, right? 'Cause that's how many we have left over. So let's take 3 away and put them back in our pile.
1, 2, 5.
Just 3 away.
I just took away 5.
I only said take away 3. Not yet.
I'm a big man.
Did we take away 3 from our pile of 10?
Yeah.
Alright, now we gotta do the group of 10s, right? How many groups of 10s do we have in the number 19? What's in
1.
our 10 spot? 1? So we need to take away one group of 10.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer was 7. 7. Answer
7? Does everyone understand how we got that?
Yep.
Kinda?
Yeah.
Everyone?
I just want to eat these right now. Me too.
We're not quite done.
Okay, we have to do all the cards.
We're not gonna do all the cards. We're gonna try to do most of them.
Can you just have one tiny bite?
Let's see. Let's do this one. Alright, let's make
Me too.
65. Let's make the number 65. 6 groups of 10, 5 ones. We're not eating it yet.
I'm really hungry.
Well, I'm sorry, but you're not doing it yet.
What'd you guys do, Angela?
6 groups of 10.
4, 5, 6. This uses all of my pencil sticks.
Not pencil sticks, but good try.
It uses all my markers. Oh, okay.
You got 65? Good job.
65.
No, not yet.
I'm eating 65.
Alright, we got 65.
Oh my gosh.
We're going to take away 27. So, we're going to do ones again first, right?
No.
Yes. We always start with ones.
Why can't we do the 10?
Because it doesn't make sense that way.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
But we take away 2 10s.
Who wants to try and take away the 10s first?
Me.
Okay, we'll take away the 10s first. How many 10s do we have to take away?
2.
2? Alright, cool.
Here's the next Bravo. Tell me what this says.
Okay, well, let's hold on and see if the rest of us
X.
What are you gonna do with your...
But can you have another play date with Tag?
Okay, alright, did everyone take away their 10s?
Yeah, but I don't like
Alright, now we gotta take away the 1s. How many 1s do we have to take away?
2.
2? What's in our 1 spot?
7.
7, so let's take away 7 1s.
Oh, we only have 5.
We only have 5? So what did we do with the last time?
Just
We
take
didn't have
away
enough.
all of them. We have to take. We have to add one. No, we have to take away all of them.
We took away all of them, but how many more do we need? We took away 5. We needed to take away 7.
Hold on.
How many more do we need to get to 7?
So how did... Hey, guys. Thank you. How did you get that?
7.
7, we already took away 5.
2.
2, we need to take away 2 more. How do we do that if we only
Two
have
more
10?
what?
Alright.
2 more 1s.
Couple more, okay?
Oh, we don't have any more ones.
So what do we do? What did we do? Add more 1s. How do we get more 1s?
Everybody see it?
We have to add.
Ready?
Just get 2 more
Well,
ones.
we're not adding, we're trying to take it
You
away.
ready?
I did that.
So what did you do?
32.
How did you get that number?
I did the math.
How did you do the math?
How you doing?
So like
Good?
at first I had 45 and then I took away 1. So because we didn't have 7 and And then since 7 take away 5 is equals 2, I put 2.
Okay, that's strategy, but not the right answer. You're
Oh.
close, but not quite there.
33?
No.
29.
Alright, Julia.
Close, but no.
58.
We're starting with the number 65, right?
Of 56?
65.
Move.
We're taking away 27, so we already took away our tens, right?
Has to be 27.
And we took away 5 ones, right?
Ooh, yeah. And
Yeah.
that was all of our ones.
And those are all of our ones. But we need to take 2 more ones away, right? And what did we say? How many ones are in a group of 10?
Take away 8?
Does everybody agree with her?
We're gonna
10.
10.
So we
So
have to
one
take
pretzel
away.
stick. I mean, yeah, we gotta take away our pretzel stick.
So it is
We're
in
not
the
playing with the food.
what it is in the story.
We're learning with the food.
Is that 50?
41.
Where's
It's 42. It's 30. 30. 30.
If he is,
40.
we're not gonna pay attention to it right now, okay? 30.
It's 35. 40.
You got it?
So it can't be 40.
It's not 40.
It
We need
can't
less
be
than 40, right?
One more problem, okay?
It's more than 30.
You-
Can you guys not show it on the
We're
paper?
gonna do next, okay?
Yes, we
What's your name?
Yeah?
promise making
We can make 10 ones mean 110, right?
Yeah.
That's the same number.
What's the
So
same?
if you use
Mommy see
10 ones and 1
Mommy
10,
see 10 ones and oh, we have to take away 1.
you have to take away 1
And
and replace it with 10 ones.
we
Right?
have to take
Like we did with the other number.
we have to take away
We're going to take away 1 more, 10.
Ow.
We're not playing with the food.
It is squat.
Why should it be near your head? It shouldn't.
Oh, dude, this dude's Holy Colors.
So we should
But
have,
I got 10 more.
so we have 10 more, but we have to take away 2 more, right?
So we take away 2.
So take away 2, and then what's our number?
Hold
Alright, so why don't we know the number? Are you done?
on.
Is everybody good with the
37.
answer?
Forgot one.
Robert.
48.
Robert.
38.
Good answer.
Number's 38. Oh my god.
38. I want to see in the back. Why?
You want to see on the back? That's right. 38.
Well, how does that answer?
There we go. I'm not going to eat that one. Alright. You
The
guys,
orange.
alright.
I'm gonna make sure everybody has those, okay?
How many more we kind of do?
One more. Last one.
Yes.
Promise.
Yes.
Okay? Because then we got to go up and finish our chart. Alright. 49. 4 groups of 10 and 9 ones. Can we make the number? 49.
Ow. Oh,
49.
What is it?
And then we gotta go.
I'm not yelling at him.
Alright. Does everyone have 4 groups of 10? 9 ones?
Does everybody have the answer?
Alright.
How to do it? Let's see.
And what number are we taking away?
You're yelling at me.
What's the number on the card?
4.
What's this number?
1, 2, 5.
What's the whole number? What's it mean?
45.
We're gonna take away 35. So we're gonna take away 10s first or 1s first?
7, so his answer is that 7?
One.
Let's take away 1s. Alright, how many 1s do we have to take away?
5. Has to be lower than 10. Oh, this is because look, that's 3 minus 4 is 1. Oh, it's 44. This one has to be lower than 10. Is the answer 44?
We've only taken away 1.
I know the
We have to take away 10.
You don't
so fast. Thank you.
10.
How many? If we take away 3 10s, what's our answer now?
14. 14.
You guys did that one real fast. Let's see, did we get it right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Does everybody
I did it right?
Next one.
Yeah?
They're eating them already.
Alright, you guys can start eating them.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah?
And me my pretzel sticks first. I'm gonna chug them. Hey guys, I'm gonna chug them.
Alright,
You're gonna chug them? You can't chug them.
Yes, I can. See? Yeah, kind of is.
Oh!
Okay, don't get sick.
I'll do the same thing. I'll do the same thing.
Alright, so as you're eating, you want to tell me what kind of things did we learn? Without having our mouths full. Did anyone learn anything? Yes, no, none. What, did you learn something?
That we learn how to add and subtract food.
Yes.
Did you have fun?
Did you learn something? Alright, you can share after you finish chewing.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright,
You guys
while
want
you're eating, we're gonna ask you some questions, okay?
Alright, we're gonna go back to our chairs, okay? Or turn around in your chairs. Yes, we'll do that. Alright.
I can go to my chair.
How about you just turn around for right now? Go finish eating. But don't answer with your mouth full, please. Okay? If you're gonna answer, chew, swallow, and then talk. Okay? There we go. Alright.
Alright.
Okay. So did you guys have fun? Turn around, listen.
Next, 1, 2, 3, eyes on me.
Eyes on
Come
here.
on, guys. Alright.
Alright. So first of all, did you guys have fun doing the lesson? Yeah?
Yeah?
Did we kind of understand what did one pretzel, what did it equal? 10. And what was an M&M? 1. Okay.
Alright, so, what did you guys learn in today's lesson? Yeah.
To add and subtract food.
Yeah.
How to do it with
Did you
food.
guys-
So is it possible to do it with food?
Yes.
Yes?
This is very
Yes, it is.
hard.
We shouldn't be talking, we should be looking up at me. Hey. I want all eyes on me. Okay.
So did you guys think it was possible to add and subtract with food?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Before we kind of didn't know. We thought that maybe you could, maybe you couldn't. But now, what do you guys think?
You
Yeah?
You can. Did we learn anything else? Yeah?
What did my table learn?
Take away stuff.
Take away.
Brooke, what did you learn?
Take away food. We can add the tens first and then add the one.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can start with tens. What did my table learn? Do we start with tens or ones? Or does it matter? Ones. We start with
It
ones.
doesn't matter though.
It doesn't matter because we
No.
can make it work either way.
Watch this.
Alright. So, did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Are you going to start making Miss San Diego bring in pretzels and M&Ms every time you do math? So hungry? Alright, guys. Alright. So, your questions in the middle. Hey, guys. Everybody, put your hands here. Thank
Eyes on
you.
me.
So, at the beginning, you guys had some questions. You wanted to know, can you subtract with them? And can you use food to add and subtract? So, did you guys figure out the answers?
Yes,
Yeah.
what's our
So,
answers?
can you subtract?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
And can you use food?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Awesome.
And does it make sense to use food sometimes?
No.
No?
No.
No, it still doesn't make sense.
It is tasty though.
And it's tasty. It's just a fun little treat.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you guys so much for
And so
being your
tasty.
best students today, for paying all of your attention to us. I hope you guys had fun, because I know I did.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And
Guys, watch
we're going to clean it up and make sure we don't leave a mess, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they can probably keep your snack on the paper and go carry it slowly over to your desk and keep it there.
I wouldn't finish mine.
Don't, if you don't want to finish
And I did give you a lot, so if you don't finish, that's okay. You don't need a sugar high. Slowly.